about to leave our quiet and relaxing spot. We want to go to see the other side, not the other side, the far north end of the island. I heard that there is a very nice spot for snorkeling, and we are going there. Actually, I feel quite good here. No swell, very quiet. Every time hearing the birds singing, having some visitors here. A bird that came today, it came for breakfast. We share some breakfast with him, and we're gonna miss that, isn't it?
We are trying to go inside the reefs using only the sails. We have the motor for security running, but I think we're gonna manage to go in without using the motor. It's a quite narrow passage, but you don't really need the map because you can actually see the reefs. And as you see, the wind helps as well. It gives us always a bit degrees on the east, so it helps us pass this reef here. And we are almost in.
Hello guys, welcome to the channel again. So finally yesterday we arrived to this reserved area in the east coast of Martinique, and everybody should see this. It's just beautiful. And today we decided to come to shore to take a hike. It has a huge hike. How many kilometers? 7?
8.
8 kilometers hike, and it's pretty nice. We just started right now. We haven't even gone far, but it's beautiful, and the view here is beautiful. As you see, I don't know if you can actually see that, but Nala is there. We had another boat that we don't know who it is behind it, far away, and just in front of us a friend of ours that came with us. Unfortunately had to stay in the boat. But just to say, this is beautiful and you should come here. First of all, there's not many people. Yesterday an helicopter passed, probably to do the check, because I think we shouldn't be able to sleep at night here, but they passed, didn't say anything, so we stayed. And this is it for now. Just come and check the hike with us.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountainside, sing you are my only one. Oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good.
So we're gonna try to take a video of the path, which is not so easy, but we already had some wildlife with us, and we hope to capture wildlife with our camera, and we will see. It was an animal like a possum, which I don't know what exactly it is or how it's called, and there are no, but I'm gonna search for it online if I find a good picture of it.
The path is easy. It's clearly marked, as you can see here. Have the signals, so it's quite hard to get lost. And here we can see the sea, but I can guess that we'll find the edge that's gonna show us clearly without having to patch through all these branches.
I would launch 1,000 ships just to be about your lips, tell them all to sail away, just to see you every day. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful.
After having a good time on this side of Martinique, it's time to go back for Conceição to get the plane to go to Switzerland. How you feel, baby?